Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with minimal setup. Sign in with an administrator account and close open apps so updates install cleanly. Once ready, press Windows key plus X and open Device Manager to find Bluetooth. You should see a named adapter under Bluetooth or network adapters. Note that exact model because it matters for compatibility. Once noted, right-click the adapter to reveal options. This step puts you at the control point to update safely and avoid installing the wrong driver version. Now you'll try the straightforward update path. Right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver, and select Search automatically for drivers so Windows checks Microsoft and manufacturer sources. If that finds nothing, download the exact driver from the adapter or PC maker and choose Browse My Computer to point to that folder. This ensures version match. If the driver behaves oddly, uninstall the device from Device Manager, then scan for hardware changes to force a fresh install. This clears corrupted driver remnants. Finish by rebooting your PC to let the new driver initialize. Then pair a Bluetooth device and transfer a small file to confirm functionality. If something went wrong, open Device Manager, choose the adapter, and use Rollback Driver or run a system restore to a point before the update. This reverses harmful changes. If the adapter disappears entirely, check the BIOS and any physical wireless switch on your laptop. Sometimes the device is disabled at firmware or hardware level, rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.